seconds. I'm checking the main mirror. I'm scanning the streets. I'm scanning the car parks as well. Any opening in the road here on the left, check with my eyes. Check to the right. Check to the main mirror. Check my speed. So constantly give a breadcrumb to each thing, right? And also look at the cars to the right as well. You gotta look at if anyone's coming towards your lane. You gotta be very vigilant. Sometimes people are distracted and they come towards your lane. So that's another factor to look at. Alright? So yeah, any streets, any car parks, eyes moving there just for a brief moment.